Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reserve a parking spot on the parking spot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the reserve button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Select your location. Here you should select the check-in date and then the check-in time. Then tap on continue down below. And after that, click on the checkout date and checkout time sections to select them and click on continue. Here you should select from these options. Tap on the relevant one, click on agree and continue, and then you will be able to add contact information. Click on the button continue and add payment information, and then you will be able to finalize the process of booking. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.